When I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm so very tired of this. First, I prepared our meal for breakfast. This is a bitter gourd, and this is the spices, and lastly is the egg. Next step, I cook a rice, and then followed by my sliced veggies. Afterward, I prepared my school uniform, and then I'm ready to take a bath. I'm finished. I prepared my cooked meals ready to eat, and before of this, don't forget to pray and thanks to God. And then now, I'm start to eat. I brush my teeth to make sure in a good breath. Now on, I'm starting walking 121 steps to reach at the main road. At the 6 o'clock in the morning, the road so very empty of vehicles. Now on, I'm in the jeepney with two lovers. And then I reach my destination, City Central National High School. I'm in the school, and then I walk 20 steps at the stair. I'm so very early in the school. I am the student who were to open our classroom. In the morning class, this is the situation. At the lunchtime, we are sharing a food to our classmates. After lunch, the first subject is GenMath. The time I discuss my report about solving problem involving function. The dismissal time, my classmates cleaning our classroom. After the dismissal time, we walk with my classmate Muhammad to commute a transportation. I'm in the bus, but I can't sit. So no choice, I gonna be standing at the back portion of the bus. I'm walking going to my home. This is the place before where I'm started. Me with my mama both eating for a dinner. Time to sleep. Bye bye.